Yeah, man. So we have got Preseason 1 just around the corner, coming up on Friday. And we're supposed to be away on camp this week, but obviously with the weather the way it has been, thought it was a better idea to stay in Auckland, but we're still using this opportunity to connect as a team, heading out to Muriwai. A few of the boys got their trucks and we'll get onto the beach, play a bit of cricket, listen to some music, maybe chuck a line out and just hang out. Be fun, man. Just something different, get out of HQ and yeah, just connect.
Not too mellow. Why don't you get better in the front seat, bro? Yeah, that's not money, bro. I offered, bro. He said, no, you have it, bro. He's got no money.
Oh, na 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 na. It's okay. Whoa, whoa. I hear music. I hear music. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I hear music. I hear music. Whoa, whoa,
A couple long lines for the
Really?
A couple surf casters for the boys. Got rough out there today actually, so hopefully we can get past the waves, but yeah.
Pretty cool week. Haven't been around here with the boys. Nice beach, boys are fishing, cricket as well. Good connection.
They won't come out to sing my song. Mr. Reggae.
Oh, hey! No, that way.
Really?
No.
No. To know where you learn pineapple with the skin on.
You can eat the skin, bro.
There's no pineapple in it. Put some sand on it.
It's the seasoning. He's got the core. Whoa! I didn't mean to. Who wants a piece? Everyone wants this. Oh, yeah? Yeah.
Nah, no good.
Yeah, he left. Who wants a big lip?
Pretty good, pretty good. Bit of sand.
Eat the core. Yeah. Yeah, boys.
Stronger than I thought, but no match.
Well, I think it's all that suntan lotion you put on your super it's slippery, or it's a sweat, one or the other.
Had about a 3-minute time limit before I got burned, so pretty quick in and out.
Got to get the timing right, I guess. Bit of heat. And just trust your gut when you're cooking. Yeah, hopefully the boys can catch some fish as well. Have some more fish.
Pretty trying conditions. I think we lost the reel to the waves, but hey, there's fishing, eh? There's fishing.
Yeah, no good. Good setups didn't work.
Good work, man.
Pretty damn good, if you ask me.
Good, bro. Hopefully I don't get food poisoning, eh? I'll blame Paddy.
Medium rare chicken sausage.
Is the chicken how hungry are you?
No, it's not.
Play right there.
The longest? Is this gonna roll up?
Yeah.
Chicken exposed.
I know Xavier's on the barbecue. I think it's a bit undercooked, eh? Might have to take it back for a refund.
Brown tiles. Do some of that. Chuck that on there. Then you get in here. Brown tongs your chicken. Brown spatula. Bit of mayheck. Do like that.
Cheers, brother.
Close it up.
Soaking bro in the water?
Turned into a beautiful day. A few sausages and some steak.
It's probably going to bowl it inside. Just going to smoke it straight down the line. Something like that. Yeah, heads. Right arm, very slow. Oh, get him! Yeah, pretty special, I guess. Camp got called off, so it's just nice being able to spend some time together outside the environment, which is well needed at this time of the season. I guess we've already taken the time to get to know each other, so just looking to play alongside them, I guess, and see what they got, especially the young fellas.